In this video, I'm going to show you another tech tool, and this tech tool is actually help you to do research before you even create your video. Now with the right research, you'll be able to get more views, grow your channel faster, and by and large serve an audience that's actually looking for things that you are creating. If you are new to my channel, my name is James, and I cover tech tips and tools so that you can actually leverage them to do stuff that matters. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I release a new video. With that said, let's dive into this week's video. In a prior video, I talked about using Google Trends to help you to search and research a topic before you even start. Okay, now in this video, we will cover a different tool, and this tool allows you to dive in a little bit deeper as you create your videos. So let's hop on over to the screen. Now the tool that I'm talking about today is actually called TubeBuddy. What's TubeBuddy? TubeBuddy is actually a browser extension that you install onto your browser that allows you to research and find out things about your channel, and also allows you to do things a little bit faster, things like commenting and things like planning your videos. But I'm going to mention about these four main tips in this short beginner's tutorial. And the first thing that you need to do is obviously to install the TubeBuddy extension. Now to install the TubeBuddy extension, all you need to do is search for it, and after you have installed the extension, you will see something like this here, okay, which is a red icon. And with this icon, once you click on it, it will open up extra menus for you to use. Now some of these menus, you can also access them from your YouTube Studio, for example, your videos, your stats and all that. The thing that I want to focus most on is called the Keyword Explorer. Now in the prior video, as I mentioned, you need to search for your topic and you do some research on the niche as you create your video. So these tools allows you to do that as well. So for example, as I was creating this video, I know that I wanted to do a TubeBuddy tutorial. Now what Keyword Explorer does is allows you to do some research, and it compares the search volume from YouTube versus the so-called supply. Okay, search is actually the demand. How many people are actually searching for this term in YouTube, and also comparing it with the number of videos that's available that's talking about TubeBuddy as well. So as you can see here, the score is actually pretty low. Now take note that I'm using the paid version of TubeBuddy. It is not a free extension. The free extension allows you to do a limited search here, which is 3. Okay, the paid version allows you to do more. Okay, so let's zoom in and target this a little bit, and let's look for TubeBuddy tutorial. Now I'm just using the unweighted first because unweighted is just something that's not related to the channel. This is a general search. A weighted one means it's also targeted based on your particular channel as well, okay, whether your current ranking in search. Okay, so with the paid version, you can actually search for weighted, and here it even gives me even poor. So I know that if I were to create the video called TubeBuddy tutorial, chances are I'm not going to do very well. So here are some of the suggested terms, and allows you, it also suggests things like from other languages. For example, if you are Spanish, for example, or you can speak a different language and you want to do a different TubeBuddy tutorial, chances are you have a better chance of doing well on this. Okay, so let's look for this. I can't speak Spanish. TubeBuddy tutorial for beginners. Not bad. Okay, now what's the unweighted score? The unweighted score is still alright. So what you want is to go as far as to this green as possible. Red means that you won't have a very good chance of ranking well in YouTube, and I find that it is so helpful in terms of helping my channel do better. And even if you have already released video on your YouTube channel, you can actually use this Keyword Explorer. Maybe you want to tweak your titles a little bit, you want to tweak your descriptions. So this is the one of the most powerful tools I find in using TubeBuddy. And let's go and cover the next tip. The next thing that I like is the tag tools. Okay, what are tags? Tags allows you to tag your video so that it gets easily searched by others. So this is a video example that I did. Now, based on my own understanding, I created this amount of tags, okay, the earlier ones. social media, YouTube, do stuff that matters. Okay, so these are some of the tags that I use generally. However, when I use this TubeBuddy suggestion, it suggested these other tags for me to use, and I find that it's so much better. So for example, maybe I should remove YouTube, it's too general. Okay, things like how to find YouTube topics, video ideas for YouTube, all these were actually suggested by TubeBuddy. Okay, and as you go down, scroll down here, you see that these are the suggestions. Okay, now if you want to put a keyword in so that you narrow down your text, you can do that as well. But here you see that there's a rank, and you can select this by relevance. So I'm just going to add this to my text into my video. And save it. So let's see whether I've met the requirements. 448, okay, I have 500s to use. So I've actually basically maxed out on that. So maybe some of these things I might want to remove it. For example, social media is a little bit too wide. This one is just my tagline. Okay, leverage tag tools may not be so relevant to my channel, but I'm just going to leave it there for time being. So basically you understand this idea about tags, because TubeBuddy will actually help you to suggest some tags for you. Okay, so this is the second thing that I like. Now the next thing that I like quite a fair bit is okay, you got to how to cut your hair, not the way to go. Now the next thing that I like about TubeBuddy is this. It's actually the topic planner. Okay, so a topic planner allows you to plan out your topics. As you watch other channels, as you go about watching YouTube, you can actually sometimes get ideas, and you want to sort of plan your videos. And since the TubeBuddy's extension is built in as well, you can also put some keywords in. For example, let me see, for example, when I was planning out this TubeBuddy tutorial, so the notes that I created was actually some basic SEO to see the competition, canned responses, which I'm going to cover in a short while, and the text list. Okay, and once you complete, you can actually mark your video as completed, so that you know you have already created the video, and you don't make the mistake of making the same video as you build up your channel. All right. Now the free version allows you to put 5 topics, if I remember correctly. So the paid one or the pro version allows you to have more, definitely. Now one of the things that I like about TubeBuddy, it also comes together with an app on your phone, so you can actually use that app. And this is the TubeBuddy app here on the bottom left here. So let's open that. Now with the app, you can actually see the videos that you have created. You can see the number of views. More importantly, what I find that I like is actually the comment section. So you can actually reply to your viewers very fast, and you also have something called canned responses. So when you have a canned response, it means that for things that you constantly reply, you don't have to type in one by one. And when you reply, you can actually tagging that person. So you can do that. So I'm not going to reply right now. Okay, so this helps you to save time. You know, oftentimes when you're out and about, you're really just maybe scrolling on social media instead of just browsing other social media platforms aimlessly. You can take this opportunity to reply to your subscribers and viewers too. So if you haven't gotten chance to give TubeBuddy a try, give it a spin. Like I said, this is actually a freemium tool. You can get the free version that allows you to have limited keyword search and some limited functions, but the pro version allows you to have greater expanded tools and tips to help you to use and grow your channel, to grow your views, so that every video that you create has a better chance of ranking well and getting the number of views that it deserves. I hope this video has helped you. Now in my next video, I'm going to use another tool as well, a different social media tool, to help you to connect with different people, so that you can also drive traffic to your YouTube videos. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, hit the bell button, so you will be notified whenever I release a new video.